Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make money with Google AdSense Arbitrage. Most people have never even heard of it. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, showing you how everything works from start to finish. We're going to use Google Ads to make this profitable, but you don't need to be a Google Ads expert at all. As long as you follow the instructions carefully, you'll be able to make this work. First, it's important to understand the concept of price arbitrage. This simply means taking advantage of price differences between the same or similar assets across different markets. While it might sound complicated at first, it's actually very simple in practice. To get started, open a new Google tab and search for something like 5 things you didn't know about. Once you do that, you'll see many different results such as things you didn't know about Google, Minecraft, Martin Luther King, and many other topics. However, not all of these will be ideal. What you really want are topics that are highly popular and interesting to a wide audience. Ask yourself whether you would personally click on that title if you saw it online. If the answer is yes, then you're on the right track. If not, keep searching. To make this process easier, there's a shortcut you can use. Go to autocomplete and type in 5 things you didn't know about. This tool automatically generates a large list of suggestions and sorts them alphabetically, saving you time and effort. You'll see ideas like 5 things you didn't know you could build in Minecraft, 5 things you didn't know about GTA V, and 5 things you probably didn't know about Skyrim. Instead of picking a random topic, the goal is to verify whether the topic is actually popular. For example, one strong option could be 5 things you didn't know about Minecraft. Copy that title so we can check if it's worth using. Covering topics people aren't interested in would be pointless, so this step is very important. Next, head over to Google Trends and paste the title into the search bar. This allows you to see how much interest there is in that topic. If the trend shows consistently high interest, that's a great sign. A topic with strong and steady interest means many people are already searching for it, making it a perfect candidate for this method. Once you've confirmed the topic is suitable, you can move forward. Now you need to gather content. You can search the topic on Google and review the articles that appear. But an even better option is YouTube. Search for videos related to your topic, such as hidden features or lesser-known facts about the subject. There will usually be plenty of videos you can work with. While this process is relatively easy, it does require some time because you need to collect genuinely useful and interesting information. This is important because you're not going to sell a product, promote an affiliate offer, or launch anything of your own. Instead, you'll be making money without directly selling anything, which might sound surprising at first. Once you've chosen a specific fact or idea from one of the videos, go to Google Sites and create a new website. You don't need any coding or web development experience to do this. Google Sites is free and very beginner-friendly. Paste in the title of your first fact and adjust the layout until it looks clean and appealing. You can change the background image by searching for a relevant visual directly within the platform. Because it's a Google product, everything is designed to be simple and intuitive. Choose an image that matches the topic and insert it into the page. After that, go back to YouTube, find a relevant video, and copy the link. Embed this video directly onto your site so visitors can watch it without leaving the page. In addition to the video, add some written text explaining the topic and include images where appropriate. This method focuses on quality rather than quantity. If the first slide is engaging and provides real value, visitors are more likely to continue to the next slide and stay longer. The longer people remain on your site, the more potential you have to earn. You can either download images to your device or simply copy the image address to save time. Instead of creating just one slide, you'll build multiple slides like this. Each slide should include a video, text, and visuals. Use buttons to allow visitors to move between slides, such as Previous and Next. Before doing that, create a simple cover page for your presentation. This cover page should include the main title, a suitable image, and a button labeled Next. Once your site is published, copy the link to your first slide and attach it to that button. When someone clicks it, they'll be taken directly to the next page. You can preview the site to make sure everything works correctly and that the buttons function as intended. The overall idea is to create a carousel-style experience where visitors move from one slide to the next. The more time they spend clicking through the content, the better the results will be. At this point, you might be wondering how the website is monetized. This is where AdSense Arbitrage comes in. After publishing your site, you can display Google Ads. Instead of placing ads directly on the content and disrupting the user experience, you can trigger ads to appear when someone clicks a button to move to the next slide. Often, users will see an ad before being redirected to the next page. By doing this, you're helping brands gain exposure while earning money whenever ads are shown or clicked. The next question is how to drive traffic to your site. This is done by purchasing ads on platforms like Pinterest, Facebook, or TikTok and sending visitors directly to your website. As long as visitors remain engaged and continue moving through the slides, they'll periodically see Google ads and you'll earn revenue from those impressions. This creates a passive income stream. You don't need to sell products or be constantly involved once the site is built and optimized. Your main focus is driving traffic. The more visitors you send, the more ads are displayed and the more money you make. The key is to carefully manage the numbers so that the cost of your paid ads is lower than the revenue you earn from Google Ads. In simple terms, you're buying traffic cheaply and earning slightly more through ad monetization. You don't need advanced technical skills to make this work. All it takes is creating engaging content, dragging and dropping visuals, and setting up a clean website. While the profit margins may not be massive at first, they can add up over time. With consistent effort and proper optimization, it's possible to earn a few $100s per month, or even several thousand if you scale your ad spend. It's important to start with a small budget, as Google Ads can be unpredictable, and test what works best. In the end, you now have all the resources and knowledge needed to get started. The only thing left is to take action. To wrap things up, if you want to take this strategy even further and actually maximize the results you're getting, this is exactly where the Pack and Profit course comes into play. The skills you learn inside that course are a perfect match for this method, especially when it comes to understanding how to build engaging content, optimize simple websites, and combine everything effectively with Google Ads to increase your income. You'll learn how to think strategically about traffic, conversions, and monetization in a way that makes methods like AdSense Arbitrage far more powerful. What's even better is that you don't need to spend money on ads right away to start making money with this approach. The Pack and Profit course teaches you foundational skills that can be applied organically as well, allowing you to build momentum first and scale later when you're comfortable. Once you understand how everything works, adding paid ads simply becomes a way to multiply what you're already doing, not a requirement to get started. If you're serious about building a sustainable income online and want to stack proven skills that work together, Pack and Profit is designed to help you do exactly that.